Do you know how much your breakfast is important? Breakfast is the first and most important meal of the day, but most of the people skip their breakfast regularly. If your goal is to stay healthy and fit, you must concern more about breakfast. So, plan your breakfast in a healthy and delicious way. Hey there viewers! Welcome back to Illnoize Club. Let's plan your breakfast in a good and healthiest way. Breakfast provides you with around 25% of your daily energy and nutrition requirement. Good breakfast helps to keep sustainable energy supply to your brain and body. And it will protect your physical and mental health throughout the day. If you skip your breakfast, it often gives you very bad consequences. Your metabolism remains sluggish and your energy levels decrease. You are more likely to graze throughout the day. You will be addicted to fast foods and drinks. It leads to having a large meal in the middle of the day. It causes to gain your weight and you will feel uncomfortable because your stress and anger will increase. Finally, you will be suffering from heart problems, diabetes, cholesterol, and gastritis. So guys, in today's video we will share with you some simple but effective breakfast planning techniques which you also can add to your daily routine. Number 1. Use whole grains and complex carbohydrates. Please avoid simple carbohydrates. Number 2. Add a few fruits and vegetables. Number 3. Include some leafy greens. Number 4. Add protein-rich foods into your diet. Number 5. Include some nuts and seeds. Number 6. Please avoid fast foods and instant foods. If you are looking for a simple and quick breakfast for your busy morning, you can have fruit and vegetable smoothie with Greek yogurt and nuts and seeds, or you can have overnight oatmeal with fruits and seeds. If you like some spicy breakfast, you can have an omelette with vegetables, whole grain bread sandwich, or either vegetable and chicken or egg salad. So, these are some food choices for you. Carbohydrate, whole grain, oatmeal, sweet potatoes, fruits. Protein and healthy fats: meat, eggs, low-fat cheese, Greek yogurt, nut butter, nuts and seeds, avocado, olive oil, canola oil. Vitamin: you can have any fruits and vegetables according to your preferences. So, plan your breakfast for a healthy life, beautiful figure, energetic body, and beautiful skin. How do you plan your breakfast? Let us know in the comments section below. We would like to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Share this video among your loved ones also. Hit like and subscribe to Illnoize Club. Thanks for watching. We Illnoize Club.